Wait, did Google just completely obliterate Notion? Imagine, just for a second, a world where you can take every PDF, every random YouTube video, every dense research paper, and every messy spreadsheet you own and dump them all into a single workspace. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just store them. It actually understands them. It searches the live internet to keep them updated, completely remembers your past conversations about them, and can even instantly convert your notes into a full-blown two-person audio podcast. I know, right? It sounds like some crazy concept pitched for the year 2030, but it's actually happening right now. We need to figure out if Google just killed Notion, so let's get into it.
Welcome to The Explainer. Honestly, I am so incredibly pumped to walk you through this today. Because what we're looking at is rapidly shaping up to be the absolute biggest AI productivity update of 2026. Google has officially, finally, merged NotebookLM directly into the Gemini ecosystem. And listen, we are no longer just talking about a chatbot here, not even close. We are looking at the birth of a full-fledged AI operating system. So we're going to dive right in and see exactly what changed, the absolutely insane workflows this unlocks, and why the stakes for your daily productivity have literally never been higher.
All right, Section 1, the ultimate AI merger. Okay, let's get straight to the breaking news. Google just dropped a completely new Notebooks section right inside of Gemini. And the collision of these two tools is revolutionary. Think about it. Before this update, we were living in a completely fractured AI world. You had old Gemini on one side, right? It was brilliant at live upsearches, rapid brainstorming, and had this really broad intelligence. But let's be honest, it sometimes hallucinated facts. Then on the other side, you had standalone NotebookLM. This thing was an absolute powerhouse for strict accuracy, source-grounded answers, and deep document analysis. But it was trapped in a bubble. It had zero access to the live internet. Well, Google just took the strict, rock-solid accuracy of NotebookLM and slammed it together with the live, breathing intelligence of Gemini. This massive combination creates what people in the tech space are already calling a research pod. And a research pod is essentially an AI workspace where your static files, your ongoing chats, your custom instructions, and real-time web data are all working together inside one single persistent project. So the big takeaway here? AI tools are fundamentally shifting. We are moving entirely away from those isolated, single-use chatbots where you start from scratch every time, and we're entering the era of persistent, intelligent workspaces. And Google just made the first massive move. Moving on to Section 2, curing AI amnesia. Now, this is the mind-blowing shift that actually stops AI from feeling so temporary and, frankly, frustrating. We all know the pain of traditional AI amnesia. Every single time you start a new conversation, the AI completely forgets everything about you. You have to explain your project again, repeat your instructions, re-upload your files, and rebuild your whole workflow from scratch. It is exhausting, but this update introduces persistent notebook memory. Inside these Gemini notebooks, the AI actually remembers your project context, your writing style, your tone, all without you ever having to repeat yourself. Let's look at how this works in practice, because it's super cool. Imagine you create a notebook specifically dedicated to, say, starting an AI YouTube channel. Inside this one single notebook, you drop in your script ideas, your analytics, thumbnails, competitor research, and past videos. Because of this new persistent memory, Gemini now remembers your specific writing style, your workflow, your tone, and all your previous discussions. But, and this is key, only inside that specific notebook. Every notebook essentially becomes its own isolated AI brain. So you could have a finance notebook, a separate coding notebook, and a travel notebook, all functioning as entirely separate assistants that actually remember who you are and what you're doing. Section 3, your new insane workflow. Let's move from theory to reality and look at the crazy workflow potential this creates. Let's say you're trying to research AI stocks. We'll walk through this new workflow step by step. Step 1, you upload your static files, company earnings reports, PDFs, maybe some market research spreadsheets. Step 2, you ask Gemini to search the live web for breaking news and market shifts happening literally right now. Step 3, all of that data, the static files, and the live internet news perfectly syncs into one single notebook. And finally, step 4, you ask it to transform that entire research stack into AI podcasts, study guides, or mind maps. Your notebook isn't just frozen in time anymore. It's actively evolving with live internet information. I mean, think about the absolute massive productivity gains here. Students can instantly build dynamic AI study systems. Creators can build content research hubs that literally never go out of date. Businesses can organize living market intelligence. Developers can maintain active coding documentation. This fundamentally changes the stakes for your daily work. Honestly, it feels way less like using a software tool and entirely more like having an AI operating system for your brain.
All right, Section 4, Hidden Power Features.
Let's aggressively break down some of the underrated mechanics that make this new system a true powerhouse. Because, the surface level is cool, but the hidden features, that's where the magic actually happens. First up, notebook-specific instructions. You can give a notebook permanent rules. You can tell it act like a coding tutor, or always summarize with bullet points, or respond like a professional scriptwriter. Gemini will then apply those exact instructions across the entire notebook automatically. You are essentially creating persistent, custom AI personalities for every single project you're working on. And beyond just custom instructions, this update builds out an incredible feature set. For one, notebook chats stay perfectly organized, so no more messy, endless chat histories to scroll through. Everything stays tied exactly to its specific project. Next, there's this incredibly powerful one-click attachment engine. Inside the Gemini upload button, there's a new NotebookLM option that lets you instantly attach an entire massive research repository into a conversation with a single click. And finally, the crown jewel, audio overviews are still here. You can literally transform your dense study notes or meeting transcripts into a conversational, two-person AI podcast. Just imagine prepping for an exam or a big meeting by listening to an AI podcast generated exclusively from your own private notes. It's unreal.
Section 5, The Real-World Catch.
Okay, hold up. Before you start migrating your entire digital life and throwing away all your current apps, we need to bring this back to reality for a second. There are 3 really important limitations you absolutely must know about right now. First up, Google Docs. When you import a Google Doc, NotebookLM creates a static snapshot of it. So if you update the original doc later, it does not dynamically update in the notebook. You have to go in and manually refresh it. Second is sharing. If you're hoping for real-time multiplayer team collaboration right out of the gate, you should know that sharing features, especially for notebooks tied to Gemini chats, are currently pretty limited. And third, access. This isn't universally available to everyone on day one. Most of these advanced features are rolling out gradually, hitting Gemini Advanced, AI Pro, Ultra, and Enterprise users first.
Finally, Section 6, The AI Second Brain.
Let's pull back and look toward the big picture. Why does this specific merger threaten traditional productivity apps, and why does it change AI computing forever? Well, it all comes down to the Google ecosystem advantage. See, Google isn't just building a clever app. They are connecting an entire massive ecosystem together. They own Search, they own YouTube, they own Docs, Drive, Gemini, and NotebookLM. When an AI can remember your specific projects, organize your files straight from Drive, search the live web, watch YouTube videos for you, generate media, and maintain long-term context across all of that, you are literally watching the birth of the first true AI second brain platform. And frankly, this poses a massive threat to standalone apps like Notion AI, Obsidian, Perplexity, and even Microsoft Copilot. Which brings us to the ultimate question. The future of AI isn't just about asking a chatbot a quick question to get a recipe. It's about building intelligent knowledge systems. And Google just took a massive leap toward that exact future. So I'll leave you with this. Looking at the persistent memory, the live web access, and the deep, deep ecosystem integration, would you actually replace your entire Notion or Obsidian setup with Gemini and NotebookLM? Because after looking at what this update can do, I think a lot of people are about to make the switch. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I will see you next time.